Gold against US dollar, and the previous week has felt in value, and we can see the price formed these two bullish pin bars with wicks reaching 2474 as support level and then bouncing back up, reaching again to 25.80 a resistance level. We can see that the price formed on the Friday a strong bearish candle where the price has tried to move above this resistance level but did not manage to do that and then return back down. Also, the price could not make a bearish breakout below 2492.70. We can see it is a small support level. The week has closed as an indecision candle. It is the next one and also the third one after this one. The first one was bullish with the bullish body. So currently what is the price is behaving? It is closing each week below the previous one. Monthly time frame after the price has formed. After the price has formed this bullish breakout, it is important that the price in this month do not return below 2450.58, which is a very important support level. Will the price manage to stay above? We'll see in the next weeks how the price behaves, because also the price has something very important in front of it, and that is around area 25.28, a very important resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to reaching 2550.00, a very important resistance level. Now the weekly time frame shows us a potentially continuation of this bearish momentum and potentially reaching 2450.58 as support level. We can see that for several weeks the price could not go below 2470.15, which is a very important small support level currently on here on the chart visible. Now the daily time frame will show us much more clear information, and that is 2525.80 is the next resistance that needs to be broken, and below we can see that 2492.66 is also a very important support level, and especially this one 2484. Will the price manage to make a bearish or bullish breakout? We'll see much more clearly information on the lower time frames, which will be 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, because here on these two time frames we have much more clear information what are the support level and the resistance levels which the price needs to break in order which needs to be broken in order to continue to move in that direction. Will the price manage to form this bullish or bearish breakout? Will the price reach 2474 or 2525.80? This will be shared with the traders inside the Telegram group, which you can also join. The link will be below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.